In front of me is Google Pixel 8i, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. All you need to do is open Settings and scroll all the way down to access About Phone. Then hit the device name section under Basic Info and type in wherever you want to. When you finished, When you finished, you need to hit OK in the pop-up. And then also OK in the second one about visibility. As you can see, after that, name of my Google Pixel has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!